Okay. So, kilometer 36.
Oh, wow.
So far, so good. So good. So good karon. Ugma gihapon. Hala ka, oy. So the terrain is a little bit muddy and slimy. Slimy. Unsa gitawagan ng
Tek nila sa atay wa kabalo. Wala ni Ixi. Wala push.
a little bit. Oh, slimy. Now look at that slime. Oh. Yeah. See that? So we have done our river crossing. It's time company. So, awesome. Okay, you go ahead mga kasama.
Katunang wa ikasal.
Oh,
Magkuan daw. Aban. Magpakasal na daw lang.
okay. So here's the kasama, guys. Yep. Ay, na ikaw ang gituyo, nagbilin diri paw kay basig iyan ang balikan paw. Ano kay tunon jud nimo ba? All right. As this morning, early 10 km, our kasamang Dominic is experiencing a plantar. But from Manny Pacquiao's help, he was able to conquer the trail. And now, naka-recover na yung kasama natin. So, yes, we are here. Nandito kami, mga kasama, nagsama-sama. Okay? Dito sa NCTU 70, kilometer 36 na kami. Alright, with kasamang Jonathan. So, yan na muna ang update mga kasama. Si lobat na naman to cellphone na to. Hayop talaga.